Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning transparent text effect in Canva. Make your designs look professional and eye-catching in just a few steps.
Let's start it. First, go to the Text tab and choose your desired font size. Now, type Dubai. Change the font style to match your design. I selected Anton.
Increase the font size and center it on the page.
Change the font color from black to white. Go to the Effects tab and apply the Lift effect.
Increase the intensity to 100.
Click Duplicate to create a copy and position it just like the first one.
Go to the Share tab and download your image. Click to create a second page. Now, go to the Elements tab and upload the main image. Insert the downloaded image onto the second page of your design. Now, go to the Apps tab and search for Blend Image. Click on the first option. Upload the main image to the bottom layer. Upload the second image to the top layer. Set the blend mode to multiply. Click the Add to Design button. First, remove both images. Now, right-click on the image and set it as the background.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.